Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we are visiting a project that I'm currently working on. It's a 5-room HDB apartment at Bukit Panjang. Let's take a look. Okay, over here is a storeroom. So what I'll be designing will be to seal up this storeroom door with a nice feature wall and a little cutout, right? It's like a small little window. Entrance to the kitchen will be glass and the window cutout, and two sliding door, two panel of sliding door, slides to the left and to the right. Okay, there's this false ceiling here and here. You can see this false ceiling has been lowered down to level with the existing beam. There's a beam here, so everything will be flush all the way in towards the master bedroom. So over here, you see that there's this little niche. Okay, so I've created this niche to hide the aircon fan coil. Okay, because from the front here, once you enter the unit, it will be hidden. Instead of seeing the fan coil right in front. Three bedroom doors have been taken down as well. There isn't the standard door frame. We do a very thin door frame here on the both sides. Okay, all the way up. Okay. On top there won't be any door frame. Okay, so that the door can be flush with the wall. Right, so what the whole design intent is to flush the bedroom doors with the walls here. Okay. There's a box up on top, where basically here will be full height shoe cabinet, and then low TV console. Okay, what my guy is doing now is to do a box up here and a box up here. Right, so this side here will be for the shower area. Basically to box up all the piping. On top here as well, there's some piping here and here. So you can see that these are all calcium silicate blocks. They are all waterproof. It's only used for wet area. Okay, this is the master bathroom. You can see that the pipes it's all exposed PVC piping. Okay, so it's quite unsightly. So what I'm going to do is the same as the common bathroom. There'll be a box up here using the calcium silicate board, and a box up all the way here where the shower mixer is. Over here, there'll be box up as well to have a consistent drop. Okay, so here will be mirror, vanity mirror, and some open storage at the sides. So if you have always wonder how thick is overlaying tile onto existing tile, it's about 15 to 18 mm. Yeah. Let's see from here. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for future videos. See you soon.